You don't need a degree. You don't need experience. Here are 5 remote jobs hiring right now that pay $20 plus per hour, and they're perfect for moms. Hey mama, if you're watching this at 11 p.m. while everyone else in the house is asleep, balancing a cold cup of coffee on your knee and quietly screaming into a throw pillow about your finances, first of all, same. Second of all, stay right here, because this video is literally made for you. Today we're talking about remote jobs for moms with zero experience. And I mean zero. You don't need a degree, you don't need a fancy resume, you don't even need to have worn real pants recently. These are real, legitimate opportunities with both overnight and daytime shifts, which means whether you're a night owl or an early bird, there's something on this list with your name on it. And before the job market gets any messier, because let's be honest, layoffs are popping up everywhere like uninvited relatives at Thanksgiving. You want to get ahead of this now. Let's go. Number 1. Virtual Customer Service Representative. Companies like Amazon, Apple, and Concentrix are constantly hiring remote customer service reps. You answer calls, chats, or emails from home. They train you. You just need a quiet space, decent internet, and the ability to stay calm when someone is upset that their package arrived one day late. Moms are literally born for this. We negotiate with tiny, irrational humans every single day. A grown adult upset about a tracking number. Easy. Number 2. Online Data Entry Specialist. If you can type and follow instructions, you qualify. Companies like Clickworker, Lionbridge, and TELUS International hire remote data entry workers constantly. These are often flexible, part-time, and you can do them in the middle of the night in your pajamas, which honestly is peak freedom. Number 3. Remote Chat Agent. This one is perfect for moms who hate phone calls. You're literally just typing responses to customer questions. No voice required. Some companies even hire for overnight shifts specifically because that's when their international customers are active. You could be making money at 2 a.m. while the house is quiet. That's not insomnia, that's income. Number 4. Social Media Evaluator. Companies like Appen and TELUS hire people to evaluate and rate social media content for relevance and quality. You basically get paid to scroll. Now I know what you're thinking. I already do that for free every night. Exactly. Now let's monetize it. Number 5. Transcriptionist. Sites like Rev and TranscribeMe hire beginners. You listen to audio and type what you hear. You set your own hours. You work as much or as little as you want. Introverted moms, this one is your love language. Now, here's where I have to get real with you for a second. Working from home sounds dreamy, but the reality is, you're sitting at a desk or kitchen table for hours. Your back is screaming, your neck is a tense little pretzel, and the stress of juggling kids, applications, and adulting has your shoulders living somewhere near your earlobes. That tension, that I'm carrying the weight of the entire household in my trapezius feeling, that's your body asking for help. And what I personally recommend, and what is linked in the description below, is a magnesium glycinate supplement. Magnesium glycinate is literally the chill pill your body is missing. It helps reduce muscle tension, supports better sleep quality, eases anxiety, and helps your nervous system actually relax. When you're grinding overnight shifts and running on stress hormones by day, magnesium is not optional. It's survival. I started taking it and genuinely felt like someone turned down the volume on my anxiety. Link is in the description. It's affordable, it's on Amazon, and your muscles will send you a thank you card. Okay, back to the mission. Apply to at least 2 of these jobs this week. Not when things calm down. Right now. Screenshot this. Send it to your mom group. Tag a friend who needs this. You've been taking care of everyone else. It's time to take care of your future too. You've got this, mama. Now go apply. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.